Hey guys, welcome to Music and Royalties Explained. My name is Kimali. I'm an independent producer and recording artist. I've been making thousands of dollars over the year through all the different platforms, all the musical platforms, and I want to share my knowledge and I want to teach people how to gain from their music, whether you are an independent artist or producer or you're in the game for a very long. I'm not saying I know more than you, maybe you know even more than me, but it's the way how you do it. Alright, so today I'm going to teach you guys how to add that Soundcloud fan support button to your Soundcloud page so you can get support from your fans directly. If you're watching the channel for the first time, make sure you like, share, subscribe, and leave all your comments below, okay? So for the purpose of this video, I'm actually on a SoundCloud profile which I'm going to be using to show you how to add that support button. So first of all guys, you have to decide, you have to know which means that you want to get paid. So it's either if you want to get paid by PayPal, you want to get paid by a GoFundMe account, or you want to get paid by a Cash App, the means of how you want to get paid. You want to make sure you know that first. For me, I'll be using PayPal to show you guys. And if you guys don't know how to do that, first of all, you have to have a PayPal account. So once you have a PayPal account, you're just going to go to paypal.me. Paypal.me is a platform that helps others to know it's you when you're paying. Create your link, share it, and start receiving money. Split a bill with a friend or accept payments from customers, and anyone can use it. So that's what PayPal.me is. And once you have a PayPal account, as I say, you're just going to go to paypal.me, and once you go on it, you're going to go right here and you're going to click this big button right here that says create paypal.me link. The only thing it's going to ask you for once you're on it and you logged into your PayPal account is just your username. It's just going to ask you for a username and a picture. That's it. And you get the link. So once you got the username and the link, all you got to do is go back to your SoundCloud page. And once you're on your SoundCloud page, you're going to go to your profile and you're going to go to edit at the top section right here. So right here, you're going to click on edit and you're going to scroll down. For a lot of you guys' your profile would have all your social media links and some of the platforms that your music is on. So you got to go scroll past those and go all the way down. Once you go down there, you're going to see support link, add support link. You're going to click the support link right here. As I say, for the purpose of this video, I'll be using PayPal, but see, they show you the different supported platforms that they're using right now. You could add any one of them for yourself. I'm going to show you guys how to add the PayPal.me account. So first of all, let me show you. HTTP. So there we have the paypal.me URL. All right, that's the paypal.me URL. So now I'm gonna add a username, and this is the username I'm gonna use, and this is not mine. I'm just using it for the purpose of this video. So you're gonna go straight down and you're gonna click save. And there we go. So once you click on it, it should look something like this.
Do me a favor, please. Get out of here. Get out of here, man. Shit, I'm saying.
Okay. Thank you for watching. We'll see you in the next video.